Hey guys, it's Kay, and today I'm stopping by for a quick chat on some of the polishes that I wore in August. I actually don't have that many polishes to show you, but let's get right into it with Absinthe Minded by Sassy Sauce. So this polish was a scroll stopper for me. I feel like some thermal color combo pairings have become a little bit repetitive because we just continue to see them being put out by different brands, but I had never seen a yellow and army green type of color pairing. So when I saw this polish, I immediately set an alarm for the release date. I don't know if anyone else gets FOMO like that, but I'm so sorry, I just spit out a bunch of spit. Aside from the really dope color pairing, this polish also has like some shifty shimmer. It kind of looks like a coppery type of shimmer going on, but it was really fun wearing this one. I definitely give it a 10 out of 10. No regrets buying, no regrets wearing. Next is Hits the Spot by Orly, and this is from their collaboration with Lisa Frank, which was like an iconic release, at least in my opinion. So actually with the brand Orly, I have recently started to build up my Orly stash, right? Because for the longest time, I didn't like the brand. I didn't really care for Orly at all until I started to take note of their nail seasonings. So Orly's toppers are actually really dope. And this one, I mean, I was thrilled wearing Hits the Spot. Like the dopamine hit whenever I looked at my nails was like palpable. It was an actual thing. I just adored having this on me. 10 out of 10. You know, this is one of the polishes that I consider almost too pretty to wear. All right, but let's move on to Hollow Taco's Deeply Superficial. So this is part of their 5th anniversary collection, the Mixed Emotions collection. Now, this polish is a thermal. It goes from this delicate light pink when warm to this magenta color when cold. With this polish, I didn't have the same issue I had with Rage Bait. If you saw my What I Wore in July, I think, video, I talk a little bit about what happened with Rage Bait. Not that its thermal shift is faulty, but I guess Rage Bait remained in its orange state on me because I think I keep my home too warm. But I didn't have that issue wearing Deeply Superficial. I actually saw it in its many different states throughout my entire time wearing it. So yeah, this is just the cutest pink polish ever. If you are a lover of pink color, I really hope you pick this one up because it is just like the perfect princess pink polish. Then we have Swamp Gloss's No Smut, No Lust, No Coconuts, and this was from Hella Handmade Creations, July 2024. Now, question: is there such a thing as too many flakies? So I love the generosity. There was definitely a spirit of giving in the making of this polish, which is very nice. That's amazing. However, it did make for quite of a thicky formula, right? That I'm honestly not used to. So overall, I mean, the final look is really cool. You get a clearly obvious contrast between blue and pink just because of the size and the amount of flakies that are in there. However, due to that thickness that was quite present very much in the front row, I am gonna give this one a 7 out of 10. It's a beautiful polish, but it was a little bit too thick for me. So those are really all of the polishes I have to show on this video. There were a total of 4, and I think that overall I went with a really colorful type of maybe playful, fun vibe in August. That's maybe the mood I was in throughout the month. But thank you so much for watching. That's really all I have for you today. I really appreciate you hanging out with me on another What I Wore video. I'm Kay, and I'm here every week with a new swatch sesh, so I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye-bye!
Thank you for watching. Thank Thank you for watching.
Subscribe.
Thank you for watching so much. Do. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you.